Sigue caminando hacia mí. Sigue caminando hacia mí.
US immigration officials arresting a suspected member of the MS-13 network in Florida. Officers say Salvadoran national Evan Manuel Bonilla Moran will be prosecuted after he re-entered the US after being deported. He could potentially be deported across the world. That's after the US Supreme Court on Monday ruled the Trump administration can resume removing migrants to countries that aren't their original homes. This overturns a ruling that prevented 8 immigrants convicted of what the Department of Homeland Security described as heinous crimes from being deported to South Sudan. Tricia McLaughlin, DHS Assistant Secretary, said, "If these activist judges had their way, aliens who are so uniquely barbaric that their own countries won't take them back, including convicted murderers, child rapists and drug traffickers, would walk free on American streets. Fire up the deportation planes." But leading the dissent for the Supreme Court's liberal minority, Justice Sonia Sotomayor argued deportees would be at risk of torture in a country considered so dangerous, the US State Department warns, do not travel. Sotomayor added, "The court finds the idea that thousands will suffer violence in far-flung locales more palatable than the remote possibility that a district court exceeded its remedial powers when it ordered the government to provide notice and process to which the plaintiffs are constitutionally and statutorily entitled." The original order prohibiting deportations to South Sudan did not bar deportations to third countries, but stipulated migrants must be given the opportunity to air concerns about being tortured in a third country. This ruling represents a victory for the Trump administration's immigration policy and its hardline approach to undocumented migrants, embodied by troops deployed to Los Angeles after protests erupted in predominantly immigrant communities. Owen, Fairclough, CGTN, Washington.